Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting hot water on the stove and boiling 200 g pasta. This is where texture is built, so cook to al dente for bite. While the pasta cooks, open and drain a 150 g can of tuna and measure 1/2 cup mayonnaise plus 2 tablespoons olive oil for the dressing. Chop crunchy vegetables like half a red onion, 1 cup cucumber, and half a cup celery. Reserve a 1/4 cup of pasta water. That small amount will help the dressing cling later. Once the pasta is drained and slightly warm, you flake the tuna into bite-sized chunks so each forkful has both fish and pasta. In a bowl, whisk 1/2 cup mayo with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 teaspoon mustard to create an emulsion that coats ingredients evenly. Add salt and pepper to taste. Make sure to toss the warm pasta with the dressing and add the reserved pasta water 1 tablespoon at a time to achieve a silky, cohesive texture without watering it down. To finish, you fold the chopped vegetables and 2 tablespoons chopped parsley into the dressed pasta and tuna, adding a 1/4 cup grated cheese only if you want richness. Make sure to chill the salad for 30 to 60 minutes so flavors meld and the dressing firms up. Serve with lemon wedges for brightness. If the salad becomes watery, drain excess liquid, gently press with a spoon, and add 1 to 2 tablespoons mayo or extra cooked pasta to restore body. And always taste and adjust salt before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.